Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter buying decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you in the world of robot vacuum cleaners. In one corner, we have the Roborock Q5 Plus, and in the other corner, we have the Lefant M210 Pro. Let's dive in and see which one comes out on top in various categories. Let's start with the price. The Roborock Q5 Plus comes with a price tag of $699. While the Lefant M210 Pro is available at a more affordable price of $209. If you're on a budget, the Lefant M210 Pro might be a more suitable option for you. Now, let's talk about hands-free cleaning. The Roborock Q5 Plus offers an impressive feature with its self-empty dock, which automatically empties the dustbin after each cleanup. Its 2.5L dust bag can hold up to 7 weeks of dirt, saving you from manual emptying frequently. On the other hand, the Lefant M210 Pro doesn't have a self-emptying feature, so you'll need to manually empty the dustbin. The Roborock Q5 Plus takes the lead in this category. When it comes to navigation, the Roborock Q5 Plus utilizes PreciSense lidar navigation, which creates precise maps that can even be viewed in 3D. You can also add furniture and floor materials to recreate your home virtually. The Lefant M210 Pro, on the other hand, features the upgraded FreeMove Technology 3.0, which uses infrared sensors to detect obstacles and avoid falling down stairs or getting stuck. Both products offer advanced navigation, but the Roborock Q5 Plus stands out with its 3D mapping capability. Suction power is an essential factor in any robot vacuum cleaner. The Roborock Q5 Plus boasts a powerful 2,700 pascal suction, making it capable of lifting debris and pet hair from floors and deep inside carpets. The Lefant M210 Pro, on the other hand, offers a slightly lower suction power of 2,200 pascals. If you have pets or need deep cleaning, the Roborock Q5 Plus might be the better choice in terms of suction power. Now let's talk about the brush system. The Roborock Q5 Plus features a multi-plane floating main brush that keeps the brush closer to the ground for deeper cleaning, even on uneven surfaces. It is also resistant to hair tangles, making it perfect for homes with pets. The Lefant M210 Pro comes with 2 side brushes that concentrate dust, pet hair, and garbage. It also has a brushless suction mouth designed for pet families. Both products offer effective cleaning, but the Roborock Q5 Plus takes the lead with its multi-plane floating brush. Battery life is crucial for uninterrupted cleaning sessions. The Roborock Q5 Plus is powered by a high-capacity battery, allowing for long-lasting cleaning that can easily tackle most homes in one clean. The Lefant M210 Pro runs for up to 120 minutes on hardwood floors on a single charge. Both products offer decent battery life, but the Roborock Q5 Plus edges ahead in this category. The Roborock Q5 Plus offers hands-free cleaning, precise navigation, powerful suction, and a multi-plane floating brush. However, if you're on a budget, the Lefant M210 Pro is a more affordable option with great features like upgraded navigation and suitable for pet owners. And there you have it. We've compared the Roborock Q5 Plus and the Lefant M210 Pro in various categories. The Roborock Q5 Plus offers hands-free cleaning, precise navigation, powerful suction, and a multi-plane floating brush. However, if you're on a budget, the Lefant M210 Pro is a more affordable option with great features like upgraded navigation and suitable for pet owners. Remember, the best choice depends on your specific needs and preferences. We hope this comparison has helped you make a more informed decision. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.